Hey guys, on this side, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's start today's problem array on Geeksforgeeks. It's GCD Array. Okay, so what is exactly the question? Here in the output, they just give us an integer which is nothing but the length of array, and another integer value is key. So what we need to do, we need to get the four substring. Here key's value is the 4. So here we need to get a 4 sub array of this array, and we need to get the sum of those values in that sub array, and from that we need to find what is the maximum GCD. Okay, GCD. So here in the explanation, as I mentioned, you could see like they are just given take the sum of this, so 7 and 5. So the sub array will be 6, 12, 27 and 3. So if we are getting the GCD of 6, 12, 27 and 3, then we get a 3 value. Okay, it is GCD is nothing but the greatest common divisor. So here we could select 3, this all 4 value can be divided by 3. So, and this is the maximum value from which we can divide all these 4 values. So that is nothing but the 3. So this way we need to like solve this question. But here the question is, if we need to find 4 sub-arrays, then which 2 values we need to sum here? Why we just sum this 7 and 5? Why can't we sum this 6 and 7? So if we are doing the sum of this 6 and 7, then there will be 13. Okay, then if we are getting like 13, 5, 27 and 3, then we are not getting any value. Like 13 it is like prime number, so nothing can be divided. We can't divide that value with any other integer. Okay, so in that case we just get the GCD is equal to 1. So we need to check all these cases, and we need to get it like what is the maximum value from this sub arrays which we can get here. Okay, for that we have here we could let's understand this. For that we just take one method, this like checking all the sum, like all the 2 values by taking the sum. Now that's difficult. So here we use the concept of the prefix array. Okay, so what is the prefix array? So prefix array is nothing but the sum of 2 consecutive values. Okay, so here let's say the prefix array we are doing like 6 and 7. Okay, the 6 and first we will just put a 6, and 6 plus 7, that is nothing but 13. Okay, then it should be 13 plus 5, so that's 18. Okay, so this way this array will generate it from the original array, that's called the prefix array. Okay, so here with the concept of prefix array, and the factor of this array sum will get this result done. Okay, so here if we are doing the sum of this complete array, then we are getting the sum is 48, and we are just taking the factors, like what are the factors of this 48, 48, 24, 16, 12, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and we try to module of this prefix array and factors. So from whatever the maximum value we are getting the more than key count from this prefix array, we can say that that is the answer. Or okay, so now let's understand this in terms of code. Okay, so here I just get the sum of this array first and stored in sum1, and I'm just taking this null array, or we can say null list, and after that we'll append this things in that. Okay, and from that I just take one for loop from 1 to whatever the sum plus 1, and whatever the value we are getting, I'm just appending in that. So this is a is nothing but the factor of this particular sum. So 48. So this array is nothing but the factors of that 48. And after that we'll just sort it like in reverse format. So we are getting highest to lowest. So based on that we are getting the factors of 48, or we can say factors of this sum 1. And after that I am just taking this prefix array, and as I say prefix array is nothing but the value of consecutive indexes. So as I say here 16, 13, 48, the value of two things, 2 consecutive indexes. Okay, and based on that we just get the another array. After that what we need to check here, okay, here we could see here we just get this 2 array. This is nothing but the So this is A is nothing but this factor, and we just take that A, and we just try to divide all these things, all these values of prefix array with this particular factor. Okay, and we can get like with how many values we can divide it, where we get the module is 0. Okay, so 48 can be divided with only this one. Okay, so that for that the count is 1. Okay, but here we could see like what count we need for like we got the key value, right? K sub array. Count should be more than or equal to k. In that case, we could see like we can see that that value is the greatest GCD. Okay, so after that we'll just take this 24. 24 also we can get only one. For 16, 16 also we can get only one. For 12, yeah, okay, 12 also we can get only 148. Okay, then if we are taking the 8, then for even 8 also we can just get the 48. Okay, then we'll take this 6. Then if we are taking a 6, then we'll get it like 48 can be divided by 6, 18 and 6 again. Okay, so in that case we could see the count is 3, but here the key is 4, so still it is less than. Then we'll just go to the next step. 4, if we are taking a 4, this can be divided with 48 only. So again when comes to the 3, and we'll check, then we'll get 6 can be divided with 3, yes, count 1. 18 can be divided, 13 can't divide. 18 can be divided with 3, yes, count 2. 45 can be divided with 3, count 3. And 48 can be divided with 3, yes, so count 4. So here we could see like from this 5 values, this 4 values we can divide with 3, so count will be the 4. Okay, and if we check here, so it is like same as k, then we can say that this 3 is nothing but the maximum GCD value, and we can return that is the maximum thing. Okay, now let's run this code which I here we could see running. Okay, first is test satisfied. Okay, fine, let's submit it. Submitting. Okay, but only after if this is fast we could see time limit exit. Okay, why this happened? I could see like when I'm taking the factors of this particular sum, then we could see like factor is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. But here this tries to check for all other value which is here not mentioned. Okay, like it is after 4, it is also check for 5, then 7, then 9, 10, 11. Okay, in that case we could see the time too much exceed. Okay, so here what we'll do, we'll just use this math library, and we'll just take the square root of this sum and get it the square root, and we'll just take one loop till square root plus 1. So in place of we are taking the square root of 48, then we'll get around 6 point something. So we'll just take a 6 and plus 1, so till 7. So we just check till 7 only. Okay, so why here we take a square root? So if we are taking a square root, it will, as I said, it will give us a 6 and 6 plus 1, so it will take till 7. So here from 1 to 48, we need to just check for 1 to 7 only. So there will be a very less time taken for this for loop. Okay, and if we are checking like if we are checking for 1, then we'll get a 2 results. The module of 1 and what are the complete what we can say the factors when we divide 48 with 1. So 1 and 48, the same way 2 and 24 we are getting, 3 and 16 we are getting, 4 and 12 we are getting, and 6 and 8 we are getting. Okay, and 7 we are getting nothing. But again if we are checking for more, then again the same factors we are getting, 8 and 6, 12 and 4. So this is the 2 times we are getting all the things. That's why we just take the square root and get it done. But in that case we just no need to add only this I, but also we need to add the complete divisible number also. So here we are adding 1 and 48 both at the single time. Okay, and in this case you can see that time complexity will be very less. Okay, let me run it. So it is satisfied for the first test case. Yes, it satisfies. Let's submit it. And okay, all the test case satisfies fine here. As I said, this will take not till 1 to 48. This is just taking from 1 to 8, and we are adding these two things for the factors. In this way, all the test case satisfies within the time limit when we are using this square root thing. Okay, so that's it. This is the solution for today's problem. And stick to my YouTube channel for all the problem of the day on Geeksforgeeks.